Hey, good morning, guys. It's right around 4 o'clock in the morning. Coming out here to warm the skid loader up. Nice, brisk morning. Snow drift here. There's a good 10 inches here probably. Okay, we'll do a cold start. I didn't plug it in. Warm up. We'll start the skid loader. Alright, go ahead and start this. Low plugs. Okay, what I gotta do here this morning, get this cleaned up here so I get the SUV out. Wife does have to go to work this morning. So just work here with the skid loader for a little bit. This machine does a really nice job getting around. Back here in a minute. Okay, we're getting this cleaned up here pretty good. Pressure down on the blade. Well, it's always something, isn't it? Got a flat tire. Well, we got a flat tire on the skid loader, so I have to fix that now. Should probably just go buy a spare if I can find one in the morning. when your wife works at the hospital, you gotta take care of her. Especially this time of the year. Well, I got just coming back here from dropping my wife off at work. Got a nice little layer of snow. Probably like 10 inches here, I guess, roughly. I know a little bit further north where the new farm is, they said about 20 inches, so I was hoping to get a little bit more, but it turned over to ice there. I think it was right around 7 o'clock. 7 till about 1. And then it turned back over to snow. So we're gonna head over here and clean the Amish driveway off next, and actually we have 3 driveways to do when I get back. This is my least favorite hill here in the wintertime. It just gets really icy and you have to stop right at the bottom of the hill. So the sun's just coming up. This Ford Expedition is very, very good in these kind of conditions. Well, I got a flat tire and a skid loader, and I don't know if I'll work on that a little bit or go do these driveways quick and then come back and try to work on that. So we'll see what we get ourselves into today, and try to bring you along as much as possible. Alright guys, well, the morning's going pretty good. Got these long Amish driveways done. This one up here on the right side, and the one on the left behind me. This works really nice. Well, I'm not going to get too much footage of pushing because I don't have any third hand, or don't have a third hand. One thing's bad about this is it gets salt all over everything, and you gotta power wash everything out. You don't want to eat up. But with the fenders on the front there, really help. Alright, well, we're gonna work on this tire. It's off the bead, so I'm gonna have to take it off, I guess. and see if we can go fix it. I have it in here in the shop, or in this building here. And instead of using a jack, I just used a bucket to see the rim got bent just a little bit there, so I have to straighten that out. But we just took the blade and put on the bucket there and lifted it up so the wheel is off the ground. So we'll go ahead and get the impact or a wrench and take it off here. I have to unhook the trailer so we can load it up. I called John Deere about getting the rim and tires, have a spare tire. That rim they say is about $400, but I think we can get it cheaper somewhere else. Okay, we're up here. I tried to get ether in it to get it on the thing, but there's a nail in it, so we're gonna go take it and see if we can get it fixed. So I don't know where I can find anybody that's open now, but I just used the blade there to push down on the front of the bucket. I have blocks in the back here now. That's an easy jack. Let's go get this tire fixed so we can keep moving. There's a nail in that right here somewhere. So, all right, talk to you in a little bit.